Hello gourmet friends, today we're into sweets with a very smooth and creamy vanilla hibiscus ice cream. Let's have a look at our ingredients. 3/4 of a liter of whole milk, 3/4 of a liter of cream, and today I'm going to use a black vanilla from Madagascar. Sugar, very important as well. For me the best option is raw cane sugar. We're also going to use light candied hibiscus flower. And a very nice addition to the flavor profile is sweet condensed milk. We also got some dried hibiscus flower that we're going to ground into powder. And we got 12 egg yolks. We're going to open our vanilla beans. And we're going to scrape the seeds out, like so. We're going to keep this aside, and we're going to ground the dried hibiscus flower. So once we have done this, we're going to filter the hibiscus flower. Here we go. Now we got our candied hibiscus, and we're going to cut it down in smaller bits. The egg yolk, the sugar, and we're going to whisk it until the sugar dissolves. Now we can use the classic method to do our custard base ice cream preparation, but there's always a risk you're going to burn your milk when heating up, or your egg yolk is going to have little bits because of the hot milk you pour over it. So I prefer to do my crème anglaise an easy way with a steam bath, also called bain-marie. So I'm going to add my cream, I'm going to add the milk, the sweet condensed milk, the hibiscus powder. First we're going to add the vanilla seed, and then we're going to mix it up. And then we're going to put the rest of the vanilla bean in there as well. We're not going to put in our candied hibiscus. We're going to mix this in when the ice cream is almost done. Once the water starts boiling, lower the heat to the minimum, and we're going to put our preparation on top, and we're going to stir this once in a while, and this is going to take a little bit more time. Depending how much you make, it can go from 15 to 20, 30 minutes. Now there are two ways you can check out if your crème anglaise custard preparation is ready. You can turn it with a whisk, and then as it comes to an end you can see it turning back a little bit, and that means it's ready. Or you can use a spoon and you go like this, and when it stays like that, that means that's ready too. Now what we need is ice cold water, and we're going to cool down our preparation as fast as possible. So the more you steer it to the sides, the quicker it goes. If you want to make ice cream the same day, leave it at least 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. But I really want to get the maximum of flavor, so I'm going to put my preparation in the fridge overnight. Whatever you decide, what you need to do is put some plastic wrap on now, and not on top, but on the preparation. You need to avoid any oxygen getting in touch of the custard. So our preparation has been in the refrigerator overnight, and it's time we're going to make our ice cream. We're going to take the plastic off. We're also going to take the vanilla beans out of there, and we're going to give it a good whisk for about 1 or 2 minutes to get some air in our preparation. Now we're ready to put it in the ice cream maker. If you don't have an ice cream maker, follow these guidelines. I never throw away the used vanilla beans. I find it quite a waste because there's still a lot of flavor in there. So I'm going to preserve these airtight. You can also freeze them. And what I always do is, when I have enough used vanilla, I put them in my blender with oil, strain the oil to get rid of all the little bits, and you got a beautiful vanilla flavored oil you can use in your cooking, in your recipes, in your pastry, you name it. I'm gonna let my ice cream maker turn for 5 minutes before I pour in the cream. That is to lower the temperature as much as possible. The quicker we turn our cream into ice cream, the smaller the ice crystals are, and the smoother and the creamier your ice cream is gonna be. So everything is cooled down, my ice cream maker is cooled down, my cream is very cold, and I'm gonna do this in 2 batches of 1 liter. And it's to go for 20 minutes. So the ice cream is finished, and now we have to go very, very quickly. And now we're going to add half of the candied hibiscus. Mix this through the ice cream, like this. That is absolutely gorgeous. In the freezer, and it's to go for the second batch. Wow, look at that, look at that. That is really amazing. So, we're going to add the rest of the hibiscus flower in there. Just mix it in grossly. We're going to keep it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we're going to do a little taste test. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's still lovely, creamy. Beautiful flavor. This is heavenly good. The black vanilla from Madagascar gave us some great flavors in here. And then you got the nice floral tangy background note of the hibiscus flower. But the big star of this ice cream is the vanilla. And here we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.